Okay.
Amazing.
Cool, awesome and bravo.
Okay.
Chill, relax, and it's got a very good location.
Boring, dead, and like boring some more.
Okay. You don't like your college much? Oh,
Not
okay.
much.
Attendance system should change. We need at least minimum 75% so that we don't come to the blacklist. So that should be reduced.
My attendance is pretty low, but I need to make up.
Like, how much do you all need?
We require like around 75%.
Attendance is compulsory. It's like we are 75%. We need 75% attendance.
Attendance is cool. You can bunk as much as you want. They don't care. We don't even have a blacklist.
Like, yeah, it's fine.
Like, you guys have an attendance problem?
Uh-huh.
Like, how much attendance do you need to count?
Apparently we need 75%, but I'm not sure.
What's your attendance like?
2.
Nice.
Teaching is good. At times the teachers teach really in a really weird way, and I mean we don't understand, so we just bunk the lectures then.
Teaching is amazing, especially sociology. I enjoy that class.
Teaching is okay.
Like, it's nothing great.
Oh yeah.
Cool crowd. I love this crowd.
Okay. You'd recommend people to join for the crowd?
Of course.
Crowd is okay.
Like, could you describe it?
5 out of 10.
So you don't like your crowd much,
No.
but you don't dislike it either.
There's like this horrible crowd, and like 2% of the crowd, which is actually good, but then you rarely get to see them.
Okay, and now what do you think of the guys in your college? Like, how would you rate them on a scale of 1 to 10?
6.
Okay, but that's pretty high. I mean, but you like the guys in your college? Like,
Yeah, I mean in my group, if you go to see, out of 22 people, there are around 14 boys.
okay. You think they're nice guys?
Yeah, I trust my group.
Okay. You think they look good?
Yeah, all of them.
Okay. What do you think of the girls in your college? Rate them on a scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10, some I would rate 5, some 6, but maximum of them 8.
8?
Yeah.
Okay, good. What do you think of the girls in your college?
They're pretty chill now.
How do they look? On a scale of 1 to 10.
7.
What do you think of the guys in your college? Like, how do they look?
Okay, they're the hot guys, you really don't see them, and FIGC is a bad start.
How would you rate them on a scale of 1 to 10?
2.
And what do you...
In and around KC you have Raju's, you have Subway, you have... It's the entire Churchgate area. You have Marquis, 210, Mochas, everything is here. And inside college, canteen and cafe.
Okay, but the hangouts are good?
Yeah.
Okay. And are there any like hidden hangouts, like any smoker spots or anything? Okay.
Don't disclose.
Okay. So you'll come to know when you join KC.
Marine Drive, 210, then Kolaba, McDonald's and all that stuff.
Are there any hidden hangouts, like any smoker spots or anything?
Mochas.
Okay, fine.
See, the people here are so boring. They're usually in the campus or they go to Marine Drive.
No other hangouts?
210,
Okay.
always important.
Do you have any reasons why a student, should join KC and not any other college? Like, what does KC have which is like better than, other colleges and stuff?
There's nothing that one college is better than the other, but yes, since I'm in KC, I would obviously prefer KC to any other college.
Okay, cool.
And yeah, I would want everyone to join KC. It's a good college.
Which one's your rival college?
The one next to ours, obviously.
Name it.
HR.
Okay. And you think people should choose your college over HR?
Yeah. Firstly, they have our campus.
Oh,
Biggest reason.
cool. We like the fire. Now, which one's your rival college?
HR.
Okay. Said it pretty quick there. And are there any reasons why people should join your college and not HR?
Yeah, because we have NSS in our college and it's number 1 in India.
What's NSS?
National, it's a social service.
Okay. And you think that that's your edge over HR college?
Yeah.
Your rival college,
Jain.
not HR.
No.
Like
Because Jain and KC, like we both have all three streams. HR is just commerce. And
but why you think people should pick your college over Jain?
yeah, because Jain has very strict attendance.
And like anything else?
No.
Sindhi Kota.
Okay.
If you don't have marks,
Okay. And which one's your rival college?
I'd not say rival, but Jain is like way better.
So you'd rather be in Jain?
Yeah, I'm switching next month.
Oh, okay. So you'd pick Jain over your college?
Yeah, and Xavier.
And Xavier?
Yeah.
You like
I
your
love
college
my
as well? Okay, cool. Okay. So people from KC love their college. Okay, and would you change anything about your college?
Nothing other than the attendance system.
I like everything about my college. I don't dislike
Would you
anything.
change anything if you were the authority?
Yeah, decrease the attendance percentage.
Is there anything you dislike about your college?
No, not really.
If you had the authority to change something, would you? In your
Bigger
college?
campus.
That's all you'd change?
Yeah.
The camping sucks. The campus is small, and the crowd is not that big.
Okay. You'd change anything about your college if you had the authority?
I don't know. I just changed my college.
Oh, okay.
The best parts is the crowd is yes very good. Then you have the teachers who are very understanding and very good and cool towards us. And
That's it? Okay. Okay.
Key wash, foyer, and canteen.
What's the first thing you said again?
Key wash.
What's that?
Over there.
Give me how.
It's a terrace canteen.
Oh, so we got that's a terrace canteen, and that's like kind of like a hangout or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Attendance, canteen, and timing. College time.
I guess the subjects, because we don't have sociology like Jain. And